Welcome back. Today we're going to take another look at the creator distribution for Drupal as we build it here brick by brick. In today's installment, we're going to tackle some features on the article page, which is usually one of the most important pages on any publishing website. My focus here is to figure out a simple approach to embedding ads on the article page. If you visit any news site, chances are you're going to see various ads embedded throughout the page. I think what I have is a pretty good solution that I'm going to cover in this video. First, let's take a look at one of the demo articles created by the installer. You're going to notice that I have a couple of ad placeholders, one on the right, a couple inside the article, and then I added a chat placeholder and partner content placeholder at the bottom. The idea here is that you're going to grab the embed from whatever ad partner site that you use. They're going to provide you that embed that you simply copy and paste into a block on this website. For the community discussion block, you can grab the embed from Discuss or any other third-party chat application. I don't recommend using the Drupal comment functionality, but that's always an option. The tricky part of all this is embedding ads inside of the article. And so I wanted a straightforward approach that was easy to manage and also didn't require additional modules. Using a plugin, I created a custom settings page for the creator platform where you can configure up to 5 ad slots on the article page. You can also choose what intervals to place the ads. By default, you can see we have some placeholders in here, and so I'll show you how that works by copying some real ads from an Amazon partner site. Note that you're going to need to clear your caches after you save these changes. Now when we refresh the page, you can see the Amazon ads appearing in the article. Looking at the edit page, you will notice that instead of a single body field, that we have a repeating body field. All the publisher needs to do is break up their content into a few chunks to allow ads to be dispersed through the article. By default, an ad slot is inserted every 2 body values. If we take a look at the article configuration page, all I did to enable this functionality is to make the default body field have a cardinality of unlimited instead of 1. Now this isn't going to be a full tutorial, but I did want to quickly show you some of the code that's working behind the scenes to implement this functionality. As I mentioned, I created a plugin to implement the settings page. There's a command for Drush called drush generate form config, and it's kind of like a shortcut to make it really easy to set up configuration like this. The creator module install file has some configuration overrides as well as commands that will generate test content using Drupal's entity API. Hopping over to the theme, you're going to see that I have some field preprocessing to incorporate ad slots into my body field, and then a small bit of twig in a custom template to render the correct ad slot in between article body field values. Next, I will show you a couple of other small features that I added. First was making sure the media library button was available in CK Editor. I wanted that configured to allow publishers to easily add images or remote videos like YouTube. It's also very common for articles to embed social media content like Twitter, so I wanted to show you a simple way to do this. When you pull up a post in Twitter, you're going to see an embed option which provides a script that you can use to embed the post on your site. In my opinion, the easiest way to do this in Creator is to add a new body instance, change the text format to embed HTML, and simply paste the embed that you were provided. After saving, you're going to see that this is working as expected. And that is all for this week's installment. My goal is to keep adding functionality to this distribution in order to make it simple for small publishers to create a fully functional news site or blog using only the creator custom module and theme on top of Drupal core. Be sure to check out the description for links to the project and GitHub. Leave a comment to let me know what you think about my approach. And that is it for today. I will see you next time.